Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm with the House of Stark team, where our team decided to create a mock website application of Adidas product individual product page, where I'm responsible for the product details and some of the components. Um, I have some done. I'm going to share my screen so you can see the basic layout, what I have so far. So this is the page where I have the product details, where there's a description, specification, it shows this, and you may also like. This is the carousel. It's not done yet, where there should be buttons where when we click, it should show different items up to like 16, I believe, where this is conditional rendered. This is not really formatted correctly yet. But yeah, this is just the general idea. And I still have different components where they're similar to you may also like components. But yeah, I'm still working on the carousel part. So so far, I have encountered a couple things because it's my first time trying to use SaaS, where I have to configure my Webpack, I have to look online. I did a lot of research on it in order to get the Webpack to work. So it is working correctly. However, since it's my first time getting the Webpack, my SaaS to work, I was having my my way of coding SaaS is not really the right way. So I will have to refactor that later on. Also, another thing that I encountered was getting my local fonts to work, where I was having some issues because I didn't know that I have to create, like, each local fonts needs to be like imported with their name. Like, I can't do font weight equals something. Another thing was finding the SVG icons, where I was trying to download some SVG icons from Google. However, one of my um, teammates, she told me that I can just go to the Google Dev and grab that SVG through edit HTML, which I was surprised because it saved me a lot of work because I wasn't able to find the correct icon that I need. Lastly, currently I'm encountering some async issues, which is not really exactly related to CSS. It's more like a React, where I should have known this. However, I'm putting an async function within another async, and I'm trying to pass the second async data to some of my components and save it into the list.state. It is working if I just grab it from list.props whatever data is. However, I'm unable to save the data to the state component, where I'm having this issues where, yeah, definitely I'll have to work on that. It shouldn't be too hard because I think it's pretty basic. I just need to review some of the things and make sure there's no mistakes. But yeah, it's going pretty rough, but I will get there. And since other of my components are similar to you may also like, I should be able to, I'm trying to time box myself to finish everything before Monday. And I got my proxy server to work today as well. So I was able to use one of the, I cloned one of my partner's repo, and I was able to put them all together using one proxy server. So that was working just fine. Yeah, other than that, this is it, and thank you.